What is good, y'all? John D. Saunders here. This is probably going to be my quickest video ever. I'm going to show you how to manually back up your Webflow files in under a minute so you can get it done, get out there, and do the damn thing. Let's do this. Most of you know Webflow backs up your website. Now you do have to have a site plan on your website to have consistent backups, but ultimately if you go into project settings and you hit backups, you'll see a complete archive of all of your backups on the site. Now keep in mind this is all stored in the cloud. Now what we like to do as an added precaution is download the actual files to a separate hard drive or something, just in case Webflow for some reason went down, you'd have a solid backup of your website and CMS items. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We are going to start, I'm going to do this in under a minute. You ready? So we're at the 35-second mark. Here we go. So first things first, go into the designer. Once you're in the designer, you're going to wait for that to load for a few seconds. All you need to do is go here. This is going to pull up all of the code on your website. Now, as you all know, Webflow is composed of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and all of your assets. And so it's going to bundle all of that into a zip file. So this part is actually going to take a few seconds because this is out of my control, unfortunately, but we are at 1 minute and 2. I've got about 40 seconds left. So hit prepare zip. Now that zip file is preparing, once it prepares, it's going to say download. Okay, so I'm going to hit download, and that will extract and pull all that data. That's going to pull HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and all of the image assets and things that we have on that site. Now, next thing you want to do is you want to be able to pull all of your CMS items. So you're just going to hit CMS, and you can see I have all my CMS items here. You're just going to hit settings, and I'm sorry, not settings. You're going to hit here, and then you're just going to hit export. And it'll export all of these into a CSV file for storage. So you can see I'm just going in, I'm exporting, I'm exporting, I'm exporting, and I'm doing the same thing down the line here. Now, once I'm done with that, what I like to do is store all these in a physical backup. So I'll put these on my drive, and then I have my Google Drive actually linked to my, I have my drive linked to our external hard drive as well. So you can see I have all my backups here. I'm gonna click here, and I'm just gonna go into downloads, and I'm gonna grab all of my files here, and you can see I have the zip and all the CSVs, and I'm done. That's it. Now I have an actual physical backup. I'm gonna keep this separate. I have a physical backup of my website. So let's say for any reason Webflow goes down, I'm not able to get my content from the cloud, I can always go back to my physical backups and be able to restore my website as well as all those CSV items. Hope that helps y'all. Big thank you for checking out the video. As you all know, drop a comment, drop a like, and make sure you subscribe. I'll see y'all next week. Peace.